Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Here's a comprehensive breakdown of the challenges in maintaining high first call resolution levels in a call center, organized into operational, workforce, technology, and customer-related dimensions. Let's begin with the operational challenges that directly affect first contact resolution, or FCR, in a call center. The first challenge is unpredictable call volumes. Seasonal spikes, unexpected outages, or aggressive marketing campaigns can dramatically increase workloads. When agents are rushed to clear queues, the quality of problem-solving drops, leading to repeat contacts and lower FCR. Next, we have complex issue types. Some inquiries, especially technical problems or those requiring cross-department coordination, simply can't be resolved in a single contact. These multi-step cases naturally reduce FCR rates, even when agents perform at their best. The third challenge lies in strict compliance requirements. In highly regulated industries like banking, healthcare, or insurance, mandatory verification and security steps sometimes require multiple follow-ups. While necessary for compliance, these steps extend resolution beyond the first contact. And finally, the growth of multiple interaction channels adds complexity. Customers now expect consistent resolution whether they contact via email, chat, voice, or social media. Managing this consistency across platforms requires strong knowledge bases, integrated systems, and clear processes, otherwise FCR declines. In short, operational challenges remind us that first contact resolution depends not only on agent performance, but also on volumes, issue types, compliance needs, and channel complexity. Each of these must be managed carefully to achieve consistently high FCR. Next, let's look at the workforce and training challenges that directly affect first contact resolution. The first is high agent attrition. With frequent turnover, many agents on the floor are often new hires still building their expertise. Inexperience naturally lowers resolution accuracy, leading to more escalations, repeat calls, and lower FCR. The second challenge is skill gaps. Even experienced agents may lack deep technical knowledge, product familiarity, or the soft skills needed to handle customers with empathy and clarity. These gaps directly impact their ability to resolve issues in a single interaction. The third challenge is agent authority limits. When agents lack the decision-making power to approve refunds, override policies, or resolve exceptions, they're forced to escalate. While escalations may be necessary at times, excessive reliance on them lowers FCR and frustrates customers. And finally, there are time constraints. Many agents are under pressure to meet average handle time targets. When speed is prioritized over thorough resolution, issues may be partially addressed, leaving customers to call back again, lowering FCR in the process. In short, workforce and training challenges highlight that FCR is as much about people as it is about process. Without the right skills, authority, and time, agents struggle to deliver true first contact resolution. Now let's examine the technology and system limitations that influence first contact resolution in a call center. The first challenge is disconnected CRM and telephony systems. When platforms don't integrate seamlessly, agents waste valuable time toggling between multiple tools just to gather basic customer information. This delays resolution and frustrates both agents and customers. The second challenge is slow or outdated systems. Long response times from aging infrastructure not only extend the duration of calls but also increase the chances of errors or incomplete resolutions. Customers then have to call back, driving repeat contact rates higher and FCR lower. The third challenge is limited knowledge base access. Without AI-powered search tools or a well-maintained knowledge library, agents often struggle to find accurate answers quickly. This lack of easy access to information leads to inconsistent resolutions and missed opportunities to close the issue on first contact. And finally, lack of real-time analytics weakens management oversight. If supervisors can't see sudden drops in FCR as they happen, they can't intervene with coaching, support, or reallocation of resources. By the time reports are reviewed, the damage is already done. In short, technology and system limitations remind us that FCR depends not only on the agent, but also on the tools at their fingertips. Seamless integration, modern infrastructure, intelligent knowledge bases, and live analytics are essential to delivering consistent first contact resolution. Next, let's explore the customer-related challenges that impact first contact resolution. The first challenge is incomplete or inaccurate information. Customers don't always provide all the details needed to solve their problem in one call. Missing account numbers, unclear descriptions, or incorrect data can force agents to follow up, lowering FCR. The second challenge is multiple issues in one interaction. Customers often raise more than one concern in a single contact, some of which may be unrelated. While an agent may resolve the primary issue, secondary concerns might require additional steps or follow-ups, reducing overall first contact resolution. And finally, there's the matter of customer availability. Some solutions require customers to provide documents, OTP confirmations, or additional authorizations. When customers are unable to deliver these during the first interaction, resolution is delayed until a later call or message. In short, customer-related challenges remind us that FCR is a shared responsibility. Agents need strong skills and tools, but customers must also provide accurate information, prioritize issues, and remain available for the resolution to succeed. Now let's look at the organizational and process constraints that affect first contact resolution. The first challenge is policy restrictions. When agents need manager approval for tasks such as refunds, cancellations, or policy exceptions, it slows down resolution. Instead of solving the issue in one interaction, the customer must wait for escalation, which reduces FCR. The second challenge is cross-department dependencies. Many customer issues require input from billing, technical support, or operations teams. These handoffs add time and complexity, making it difficult to deliver resolution on the very first call or chat. And finally, outdated standard operating procedures are another barrier. Without well-documented and up-to-date workflows, agents handle issues inconsistently. This creates variability in how problems are solved and often results in incomplete or repeat resolutions. In short, organizational and process constraints highlight that FCR is not just an agent performance metric, it is an organizational design metric. Streamlined policies, efficient cross-department collaboration, and standardized procedures are essential to enabling true first contact resolution. Finally, let's examine the performance measurement and incentive challenges that affect first contact resolution. The first challenge is misaligned KPIs. When too much emphasis is placed on metrics like average handle time or the sheer number of calls handled, agents may prioritize speed over resolution. This leads to quicker calls, but often at the expense of solving the customer's problem completely on the first interaction. The second challenge is the lack of feedback loops. Without mechanisms like post-call surveys, call monitoring, or root cause analysis, recurring issues go undetected. Agents may resolve symptoms rather than root problems, leading to repeated contacts and lower FCR. In short, performance measurement and incentive challenges show that what gets measured drives behavior. To improve FCR, organizations must align KPIs with quality outcomes and create continuous feedback loops that help agents and teams learn from every interaction. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.